Well, let's talk about from things that happen in the ground to things that happen up in space. Because obviously earthquakes happen in the ground. The eclipse, well, that's going to happen out in space when the moon passes between us and the sun and obscures the sun for us to see. But here on Earth, we may have the clouds obscuring our view of the eclipse, especially across the southern portions of North Texas where there's very low chance of optimal viewing conditions. Across northern, northeastern North Texas, not impossible, but even then I think chances are pretty low. Best case scenario is this: we have some high clouds overhead and we can still see through those high clouds, at least the sunshine, because they're not too terribly thick. Of course, farther south you go in Texas too, viewership not going to be very good for the eclipse. As far as for anywhere close by to us, maybe northern portions of Arkansas could get a little bit better viewing. For us though, a very low chance at clear skies, 5%, probably even less than that. It does look like high clouds will be around, a very good chance of those. But those high clouds, how dense they're going to be, how thick they're going to be, that remains in question. If they're pretty thin, we still could have a pretty good view of the eclipse, but we also can have some thick high-level clouds at times, and that would cause poor visibility. Low clouds will be moving into North Texas as well. That's why I say southern areas have the best chance at seeing low-level clouds, but they may be moving into the DFW area right around the time the eclipse occurs as well. But there's also not a chance, or there's also a chance that there could be maybe some breaks in the clouds here or there from around that 1 to 2 o'clock time frame. The problem with that is, well, we won't know where those are going to occur basically until maybe the hours leading up to the eclipse, or maybe Monday morning, but certainly not right now. Some places could get lucky and have some breaks in those clouds, but I wouldn't count on them. Today, though, we've had a little cloud cover overhead. It's been a muggier day. That's why we start off the morning well above normal at 62. 75 was your high today, which is right around normal. It's also 75 right now, and winds have really picked up out of the south, gusting to 30 miles an hour. Of course, pollen continues to be high. Oak, ash, and poplar all high. Fungus is low at the moment. There are your clouds, but we also have some thunderstorms that have gotten going out near Wichita Falls. Some of those could kind of skirt along the Red River as we head through the next several hours. Most of the activity will be in Oklahoma this evening and into tonight, but it's not impossible that northern portions of North Texas see a stray shower or storm. Everybody is dry to start tomorrow. Sunny skies to start tomorrow. Maybe a few passing clouds out there, but no rain as we end the weekend. There's the clouds as we head through your Monday. I've added the eclipse lines, or the totality lines, there to the forecast for Monday. You can see how we cloud up. Maybe a few breaks, 1, 2 o'clock, but I wouldn't really count on much. Good news is any showers or storms do hold off until after the eclipse is done, but thunderstorms will be moving in during the evening and nighttime hours. There's 7 to 10 o'clock, especially from DFW to the east, so be aware of that if you're traveling back to North Texas, if you're headed somewhere for the eclipse or being out and about during the eclipse. And also those thunderstorms will carry a chance of some of them being strong to severe. Right now, all of North Texas under a 2 on a scale of 5. My main concern's hail and strong winds, but that tornado threat Monday evening and through Monday night will not be 0 either, so we'll keep an eye on that. In the meantime, tonight it'll be breezy and less humid. 57 will be your low, and then tomorrow as we end the weekend, warm, dry, and breezy. Actually a really nice day tomorrow, except for the winds will be a little breezy. 79 for the high. Then multiple rounds of widespread rain headed your way Monday night, during the day Tuesday, maybe another round Tuesday night into Wednesday. When it's all said and done, maybe about 1 to 3 inches of rain across the area between Monday and Wednesday. We're dry Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but then the active pattern continues as we could get some more rain as we head into the early part of next week. Multiple chances to watch the Mavs right here on WFA over the next week as well. And Mike Leslie will be back after this with sports.